if it isn't Puss in Boots himself. Everyone thinks they'll be the one to defeat me, but no one's escaped me yet. I just love the smell of fear. Death, and I don't mean it metaphorically or rhetorically or poetically or theoretically or in any other fancy way. I'm death, straight up. Enjoyed the chase, Gato. But I think we've reached the end now, you and I came here for an arrogant little legend who thought he was immortal. But I don't see him anymore. You know we will meet again, right? Live your life.